without wasting of time, let's dive into the video. Here I have some cheese. I have cheese for salad and cheese for a topping of pizza. Here I have my hard egg. I have cut them into smaller bites. I'm using cherry tomato. I have cut them as well. This is ham. I call them and I microwave it. Please make sure you cook it before you pour it into the salad. And I have olive. Not everybody like olive. You can skip it. This is a cucumber. I have salt. I have black pepper. I have my olive oil, which is actually going to keep it preserved. And this is the pasta. You don't need to cook it too soft. Neither do you have to leave it to be strong. This is how you will feel it. It will just be dangling on your hands without staying in one place. Like this is a perfect pasta for salad. So I'll be using this pot. I don't even know what I was doing. But I know I was so excited because I always like making it in big quantity so that I can share it. I will take it along to the beach or wherever. Just store it in your fridge and it's good there as 7 days. Let me say so. It can stay longer. So after that, I'm using this pot because that is the bigger bowl I can use to, mix everything. I don't want to be throwing some things out of the pot or out of the bowl when I'm mixing them. So I've added the cheese and the salad, lettuce. You can skip it. This is olive. You can skip it if you don't like it, but it's very nice. You can actually put little. I have onions. I didn't introduce it at the earlier part, but it was there in the table. I have my sharp onions and I'm adding the hard-boiled egg. This salad is so good. Let's go mixing. So this is the cherry tomato and the hams. In fact, any spoon you scoop, the goodness that will come to your mouth or your taste bud is amazing. So I'm going to add that. I will not be adding the salt because if you are good in kitchen, you don't have to make mistake when you are preparing something like this. Let me say salad. I have added the olive there and I have my cheese and the contains salt. So skip the salt because if not you will ruin your salad. So I skipped it and I add the white pepper. I'll go ahead and add about 60 to 80 ml of olive oil. This is not too much. Yes, it's not too much because we have a lot of things there. So I'll be using these two stabler. That is what I wanted to do at first, but I think I end up using only one to start mixing them to get a good consistency to get a good mix up. Yeah, gently do this. You see what I mean? When you are preparing such a big quantity of salad, please gently do this in a very comfortable bowl or pot. So this is what I will continue doing until everything will mix up so well. Welcome back to Oma's Stairs. It's really been a while here. Well, we are here trying to do things right, but little by little. I can promise you every week video, but I know I'll be dropping something at least. Let it not be too long. How are you doing? How was your vacation? Hope the kids are back at school. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch Oma's Stairs. I truly appreciate your support. Let's keep doing this little by little. Yeah. We know that one day it go blow or it go blow. So I keep stirring. I'm going to skip this a little so that I won't leave this video so long. Voila. It is ready. So I have finally mixed them completely well. So I'll be sharing them into different bowls. These two bowls, we use one for the dish. The day I prepared it, I used one for the dish. And this one I'm going to keep it aside, and I intended to give one to a friend, but because how I used to forget, I forgot about 4 days, and I don't like giving somebody food from the fridge. Had it been it was something I can put in the freezer, yes, good, but in the fridge I decided to. In fact, the children were like, "Mommy, let's eat it now. Since you're not giving it out or you're always forgetting, let's just eat it." They wanted. I said, "Please carry it and eat." But so many people really enjoyed this salad. There was a lot of stomach that enjoyed it. So this is how it's gonna be. So for eating this salad, I actually forgot to show you the one that I mix with mayonnaise. You can eat it like this and it's very nice. And when you put it mayonnaise, it's because you want to spoil. In fact, enjoy your life. So this is how I go ahead to share them into different bowl, cover them, and save them in the fridge and take the one I took. For 1 week, we enjoyed it, you see. So the last one was actually the one that, this one I wanted to give to a beautiful friend of mine. And I forgot to take it each time that I'm going and I know that I will see her. Or sometimes that I will take it, I will see her. So this salad, I say you should stop walking around. We finally ate it at home. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And this is how I made my 3 bowl and half salad that we enjoy.